USDJPY is approaching a very important resistance level. If we break this level, it can mean a continuation, and if we fail, we are expecting some weakness. So I'm ABK Trade. Let's break it down. Guys, as you can see the chart, we are forming it is a ascending channel. As you can see, it's an ascending channel, so look at this down sloping trend line, which is where we are going to pay attention. So we are going to pay attention to this resistance. As you can see, resistance, and now once more we are coming back. So as you can see, look at this candle, look at the wick it had last week. That means there is a lot of people selling at this level, and there is a lot of people who are interested to sell USDJPY at this level. So yeah, whenever you see a candle that has this kind of wick, whenever it approaches a support or resistance, then that means there is a lot of either buying or some seller. So pay attention to how whenever price approach your resistance level react. Yes, so that is what is happening on USDJPY. We are going to watch out for this down sloping channel, because if we break it, then actually I think we might go back to almost 177. So pay attention. But my bias is this thing is not going to break out. It is actually going to reject and come back down again. That is my thesis. But as always, I make my own analysis. I see some bias, but at the end of the day, I do what the market is telling me to do. I don't have control over the market, but I do have control over myself. So that is the thing. I will let the market do its thing, because market always does what you cannot even expect. Look at the crash we had last week. Look at that crash. In the stock market, over 1.6 billion was wiped out. And the crypto market, how many billions were liquidated? So that is why nothing is guaranteed, but we just want to put the probability in our favor, to favor us. So that means you having a 70 to 30% chance that something is going to succeed. Then you place a trade, or 80% chance that this scenario can happen. Then you put a trade. So guys, watch out for this down sloping trend line, and let's see if price touch it, what is going to happen there if we get this correction that I'm expecting, or we break out. Anything can happen, but my bias right now is actually I don't think we will break this resistance level. So that is the honest God truth. Yeah, so pay attention. I'm ABK Trade. I'm out.